Hello everyone, how are you all? Well, I have a very exciting news for all the students out there. Now you are going to experience the future of laundry. That is smart laundry, which is powered by higher cutting edge technology.
Hi everyone, my name is Hemant and we are here from Higher Smart Solutions. CGC is connected with so many corporates and there are so many organizations which have tied up with CGC and they are working together towards building a stronger nation and a strong education. We are here because bringing new technology to this college. From Higher Smart Solutions, we've introduced Higher Smart Laundry here. We offer a smart laundry solution which is IoT based. Students now have the freedom of washing their clothes at any point of time whenever they wish to. Now the convenience of doing my laundry at my time, at my own choice and with my own detergent, and we hope this will benefit CGC students. We believe strongly in student first philosophy. We strongly believe that students will benefit from having a solution to one of the most dreaded chores, which is laundry.
Alright, so say hello to hassle-free washing of the clothes, and there you are with the smart laundry only at CGC Jhanjeri.